Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this vehicle features 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. There's some great safety features too, including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and also speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. Has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 7,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Western Supermare. Thank you.